Hello and welcome. My name is Sabrina Cuthbert and you're watching The Power Play. Joining me today is the CEO of iMining Technologies, Khurram Shroff. Welcome, Khurram.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining in. And so previously we've spoken about your 4 megawatt acquisition in Alberta. Now you've entered into an LOA for 90 megawatts in Ontario. Would you care to share the details?
Yes, it's very exciting because it makes us one of the few technology companies on this planet with such a sizable power plants. We've entered into, in fact, 2 LOIs, both for 45 megawatt each, and 90 megawatts is a total capacity of both of them. And they operate as sort of like a peaking plant, but more of a generator for the Ontario grid. And the Ontario grid is going to be using a lot of power because of the expansion. So many projects happening. We are told there's going to be a 6,000 megawatt shortage over the next 2 years in Ontario. And we're very excited to be one of the power producers of the future sitting here in Ontario.
Now, being a technology company, why the choice to focus on energy as a strategy for growth?
So, when you look at all the major companies out there, such as Amazon or uh, um, Microsoft or Google, they're all focusing on, um, data centers. And with IoT, metaverse, AI, just recently ChatGPT was announced. It needs a certain amount of computing power, and the amount of computing power needed in the future is astronomical. And one of the main things to run this technology is power. And we need sustainable power, long-term power. So we're very excited to create a hybrid approach where we become a power producer for the grid with using sustainable fuel. And at the same time, we empower technologies of the future.
Well, that does sound exciting. Khurram, thank you so much for that update and thanks for joining in.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
That's our time for today. We'll see you next time. Until then, I've been Sabrina Cuthbert for The Power Play.